Welcome. I'm Sean Shanley with Viridiant.
And I'm Andrew Grigsby with Viridiant.
Welcome to the workforce training for electric vehicle charging in the Southeast. Our goal is for you to learn about and get a better understanding of electric vehicle charging technology. We would love your feedback on today's training so that we can improve for future audiences. We've provided an anonymous survey for you to fill out. If you're comfortable, there are also some questions on there to help us know what kind of folks we're reaching so we can understand who we're training and who we might be missing. Our objective today is to leave you with the latest information and available resources on electric vehicle charging stations. As professionals, you'll be selling them, recommending them, and hopefully installing them. The presentation will focus on residential buildings, specifically in the Southeast. We want to make sure that you leave with helpful facts about electric vehicle charging. Please remember this course is about charging equipment and not the vehicles. So our goal is for you to be familiar with 3 technical or mechanical components of electric vehicle charging equipment, 3 market considerations associated with EVC equipment, 3 common myths about EV charging and the relevant facts, and 3 resources that professionals can access for more information when talking to users, businesses, and consumers. These resources come from a number of different places, including the U.S. Department of Energy. Our agenda today is to briefly introduce you to this project, cover electric vehicle charging terminology and technology, talk through some myths and associated facts, give you an overview of the market and incentive information, cover code and installation information, and finally wrap up with an activity. We are here today thanks to funding from the U.S. Department of Energy, which is intended to increase the market penetration of 4 technologies: heat pump water heaters, air source heat pumps, electric vehicle charging systems, and residential battery systems. These technologies were chosen because they have some of the greatest potential for energy savings, cost savings, and market growth. We are required to include this statement. The views expressed herein do not necessarily represent the views of the U.S. Department of Energy or United States government.